Hello everyone, welcome to EVS online class. In this class, we are going to learn about chapter 14 Raju's Farm. This is the story about agriculture and farming. We will see few terms before we get into the chapter. Do you know what is agriculture? Agriculture is the science, art and business of cultivating soil, producing crop and raising livestock. Agriculture is the overall process where farmers growing crops or keeping animals by people for food and raw materials. Farming is a part of agriculture. Then you say, what is farm? Yes, farm is a piece of land used to grow crops and or raise animals. Farm is a place. Then who are farmers? People who grow these plants or raise these animals are called farmers. This type of work is called farming. In this chapter, we are going to see about Raju's farm. I am Raju. My father is a farmer. We live in Vasail village of Idar district in Gujarat. It is the month of October. Like every year, my father is preparing the field to sow the onion crop. There are so many things to be done at this time. I am also going to farm to help him. From the last few days, father has been using the axe to dig the soil so that it may loosen and become softer. Raju is a small child. His father is a farmer. They are live in a Vasai village of Idar district in Gujarat. It is the month of October. Like every year, Raju's father started to prepare the field to sow the onion crop. There are so many things to be done at this time. Raju's father is using the axe to dig the soil. For digging the soil, it may loosen and become softer. In Raju's area, a tool called axe is used to loosen the soil. What is this kind of tool called in your area? The implement used to loosen the soil in my area is called a kundi. Sowing the seed. This year also my father will sow onion seed in the field. The bullock will pull the plough and father will walk behind them. Sowing the seeds, I would also like to do same like my father. After digging the soil, the second step is sowing the seed. So you can see the picture. The seeds can be sprinkled at a particular distance. But father says that it is necessary to drop the right amount of seeds at a regular distance. This is not so easy to do. He says that I may drop too many seeds at one place. I must wait till I am a little older to be able to do this properly. What other ways could be used to plow the field instead of using animals? Tractors can be used to plow the field instead of animals. The sapling seen. It is now 20 days since the seeds have been sown. The onion seeds have started to germinate. Along with the onion plants, weeds have also come up. Weeds grow in field and gardens without being planted. If the weeds are not removed, then the crop plants will not be healthy. Mother, uncle and I, we all help father to remove the weeds. After sowing the seed, it is now 20 days. Since the seeds were sown, he saw sprouts appearing. You can see the sprout appearing. Along with onion seed, weeds are also grown. Weeds are unwanted plants which grow in between the agricultural plant. Weeds are taken all the water and fertilizers. If there are too many fertilizers, the actual onion plant is not healthy because the weeds are taken all the water and fertilizers. Growing plants. I am happy to see the crops of onion. They are tall enough to reach my knees. The leaves have started turning yellow and drying up. This means that onions are ready to harvest. It will be harvested. Now onions are ready to harvest. How we will know onions are ready to harvest? The leaves of onions started turning yellow and drying up. That means that the onions are ready to harvest. Everyone at home will have to work to harvest the onions out. It is important that this should be done at the right time. If we are late, the onions will rot in the ground itself and all our hard work will be wasted. Raju's help his father in the field. Do you help the elders in your family in their work? In which work do you help? Yes, I help elders in my family in their work. I help my father in buying daily essential for our house and my mother in cleaning the house. Did you enjoy the work? Yes, I enjoyed the work. Everyone at home is happy. This is the time onions are big and of good quality. Mother and auntie use the illig. Illig means a knife-like instrument to cut the dried leaves from the top of the onions. The illig is sharp and you have to be careful not to cut your fingers. Father and uncle fill the sacks with the onions. Father will take them in a truck to sell in a big market. In which chores Raju helped his father? Raju helped his father with his field work. Is there any field near your house? What is grown there? Yes, there is a field near my house. Crops are grown in that field. Raju's father takes the onion to the market in a truck. Think, how would fruits and vegetables taken to another place if there were no proper roads? It is very difficult to carry fruits and vegetables if there were no proper roads. In the previous years, people carried fruits, vegetables and crops to the market in bullock cart, boats, donkey, etc. What kind of vehicles are used to carry fruits and vegetables? Thela, rickshaw, tempo, trucks and tractors are used to carry fruits and vehicles. Given here are pictures of some tools used by Raju's family. Write the names of the tools. Also write what are these called in your area. What work are they used for? Named in this chapter Kurig. Name of your area Kudal. Using plowing. Name Kundi. And name in your area also Kundi. Use digging. Name illegal. And name in our area sickle. Use cutting vegetables. Many steps are needed to cultivate crops. Look at the picture and mark them in correct order. First, what we are doing? Loosening the soil. Second, sowing the seed. Third, we are learned along with the seed, weeds also growing. Then removing the weeds. Fourth one, cutting large plants. Next one, taking onions out. And sixth one, packing onions in a sack. First we can lose the soil. Then only soil become soft. Then after we are sowing the seed. And then after along with the plant some weeds also growing. Then we can remove these weeds. And after some plants are growing big. Then cutting that large plants. And after now ready to harvest. Then taking onions out. At last packing onions in a sack. What are the crops cultivated in your area? Write them. This answer depending to yourself. You can write yourself also this answer. Rice, wheat, mustard, vegetable, jowar, bajra, guava, maize. Discuss about the steps of a crop that is grown in your area and write details in your notebook. Agricultural cycle is the annual cycle of activities related to the growth and harvest of a plant. The main step for agricultural practices include preparation of soil, sowing, adding manure and fertilizers, irrigation, harvesting and storage. After going this whole process, we get food. So we should not waste food because it has gone through many people hard work. We should respect farmers and agricultures. In this chapter, we learned what is farming, what are the steps for particular crop, what kind of hard work they are doing. I think you all are understand this chapter. The main point, we should not waste food because it is the hard work of many people. So we should respect the farmers. Thank you.